Hello friends, how do you do? Please stay home, stay safe. Let's be more careful for some more time. Why some more time? Some more months. Okay, let's move on to my video now. I have changed the topic that is sentence structures. That also comes under English speech. Sentence structures. Every sentence has a structure. And sentences are of many types. Simple sentences are there, complex, compound sentences are there. And simple sentences. We express ourselves, our ideas, our wishes, whatever we want to speak, we express in our writing using a number of types of sentences. Sentences has many structures. Simply, simple sentences, complex sentences, complex sentences. There are differences between a simple and a complex sentence and a complex and compound sentences. You might have learned in your high school, colleges, and we tell our students to write simple sentences first. You can pick up language. Simple sentences you write. Simple means that is, I'm a student. I would like to go now. My teacher is calling me. I have to be there by 7. Like that, simple sentences. I want to eat now. Go to canteen. But structurally, what's a simple sentence? First, let's learn. So first, simple sentence. Later, one by one, we'll learn the structure of all other types of sentences. Your teachers teach you, give you the theories, the grammatical rules. You'll have to listen. Otherwise, your study will be dull, uninteresting. Why this is why the teacher tells you to write like that? Why the grammar is like this? Is is here, or is there. So all grammar rules. Unless you learn what are they, what is behind it, what is behind building every sentence, what is the difference between singular and plural, that is, your study won't be interesting. So please take care of grammar and grammar rules. So let's learn what is the structure of simple sentences. That is, every sentence almost has a subject and a verb. Subject, with some one of the pronouns or with some noun, a sentence begins. I, he, you, like that. And then the verb follows. And the verb, it predicates. Predicating. That is, a sentence has subject and predicate. Subject. The rest of the part of the sentence, becomes predicate. Because it tells the reader or the listener, it will tell you about the subject. That is, my father. What is it about your father? My father wanted to go early. So predicates. It predicates. So the rest of the part, except the subject, it becomes predicates. So a few words in a sentence. A sentence is made of a number of words. Few words. The words, express a complete thought, an idea. It tells you about your father or about your teacher or about this, that. So, right. So it expresses a complete thought. So let us see some of the examples. Any number of sentences you can write. He is in his office. We ate late. He is in his office. That is, he, subject, is verb, in his office. Where is he? In his office. So it's a phrase. That is a phrasal verb. So in his office. A few words making that part. Adverb phrase. We ate late. We ate late. Subject, predicate. We ate late. When? How? When? Late. We ate late. So, adverb. They sing songs often. So, what do you understand here? Many parts make a sentence. Many, that is figure, that is parts of grammar, See, they, subject, sing, verb, songs, noun. Often, that is adverb. So many parts making the sentence. So they sing what? Songs. When? Often. So this is how. But here, there's only one verb and all the rest, is predicate. One verb, one subject, one verb. So these are all affirmative sentences. Affirmative sentences are not negative sentences. Opposite of negative sentences. Affirmative, they sing songs. That is, they give the sense of full agreement. They sing song. If you say they don't sing songs, it becomes negative. They sing songs. We ate late. So all affirmative sentences. Then you can write any number of simple sentences like that. Then another example. Don't open the door now. It's not the right time. Don't open the door. This is imperative sentence. Don't, negative. The subject is implied here. You don't. That is, you always speak to the person in front of us to open, to do that, this, bring me this, like that, imperative. So, don't open the door now. That is adverb. Open the door. What? The door open. That is the object. They sing songs means sing songs. Sing what? Objects. That is open open what? The door now. So it's not the right time. So negative sense. It's very simple. I need not explain more here. Then questions also we write. That is we speak, right? Why do they want to leave? Why do they want to leave? That is have they finished? Have they finished? Why do they want to leave? That is, with these helping verbs also we start sentences. And then with these WH questions also we start questions. Why, which, where, when, what, who, whose, like that. So, we put question mark at the end. So, but one subject, one predicate. And so, these are questions. So they express all these simple sentences, give you or express one complete thought, one idea about the subject. So one class. What is class? What's the difference between class and phrase? Phrase, this is a phrase. In his office. In his office means a group of words, a few words, that is giving you some sense. Where is he? In his office. But here, this part, having no subject, separate subject or verb. That is, but here, class means, here is one class. That is, one subject, one verb. That is, a part of the sentence or a sentence which has one subject, one verb, is a class. In complex sentence, we have two classes. In compound sentences, we have two classes, sometimes more than two classes. So, this is the difference. So, these are simple sentences. Basically, and we can say or argue more about simple sentences. I'll add throw light on simple sentences, something more light on simple sentences in my next video. We'll continue in my next video. Please try to speak out and improve your English speech. And please support and subscribe. And I'll meet you in my next video. Bye.